Today I have received this package from Mad Dog. It has the auxiliary light harness. So first let's unpack it, then discuss about the quality. The Mad Dog logo, this is how it looks from outside. This is the wiring harness. It also gave 3 waterproof connectors to connect the auxiliary lights. This is the relay, the fuse. These are to connect to the battery. It has good covering to protect it from heat, and this one I think it connects with the ignition switch. Okay, the quality feels solid. Let's see if there is any instruction. Yes, this has the wiring diagram and installation instructions. So let's go to the motorcycle and fit this harness. This is the Mad Dog harness, and this one is its Mad Dog switch. This is sold separately. These 2 points are positive and negative points of the battery. This is a relay. This is a 15 amp fuse. Then this wiring goes under the fuel tank, and this one is for the switch. Other 2 sockets are for the auxiliary light, and this one connects with the ignition. So we'll first open the seat and lay out the wiring. So we have laid out the wiring properly. This is the relay, and these are the 2 terminals, but we will connect these 2 at the last. The wiring went under the fuel tank, then it came out from here. We will have to connect these 2 auxiliary lights with the auxiliary light jack. Now we will connect this socket with this auxiliary wire. Let's connect. Now this is joined properly. Same thing we will repeat for the other side auxiliary light. The critical part is to bring out the ignition point. For that we will have to open up this headlight assembly, and there is a wire, yellow wire with green stripe. That is the wire we should target. We will connect the switch here like this on this nut. That way it will be easier for me to turn on and off the switch with my right hand. So let's connect it. Now only the last part remains. I will connect the positive end first, then we will connect the negative one. And as a safety measure, I have already opened up the fuse. I will put it at last. Now this is the moment of truth. Let's check if everything is alright and if the wiring actually works or not.